The very famous couple Justin Bieber and Hailey Bieber were lately reported to be heading for a divorce in the coming days, as stated that their relationship is currently hanging by a thread. What comes out shocking is that the news comes just months after they gave birth to a baby boy and lately had been posting pictures and cute updates about the little one. Although the official confirmation is yet to come on it, Bieber fans have quipped if the probable reasons for their rumored split is internal conflicts between the couple or is it Justin's past association with Sean Diddy Combs. Insider reports on Wednesday revealed that Hailey Bieber is about to divorce husband Justin Bieber for his unacceptable behavior, substance use, and parenting challenges. So far, it is being said that the decision comes as Hailey fears that Justin might get into substance abuse once again, which completely is unacceptable for their little one. Her main concern is her child. If she has to distance herself from Justin to protect him, she will, the insider revealed. Adding to the turmoil, Justin is said to be worried about potentially getting involved in the legal troubles faced by his former mentor, music mogul Sean Diddy Combs. With Combs dealing with allegations of sex trafficking, racketeering, and drug abuse, various reports indicated that Justin has been apprehensive from quite some time about the chance of being required to testify. Revealing his ties to Combs could ruin his career and personal life, and that fear is weighing heavily on him, a source quoted to National Enquirer. Another report revealed that the stress of Diddy case and his personal struggles are taking a toll on Justin. Hailey, meanwhile, is tensed about Justin Bieber's recent actions and is worried that he might get back into drug addiction, which is clearly not a good sign for the child. Justin's association with Diddy came into the spotlight after the rapper Sean Diddy Combs' trials were on. If Diddy is to be the reason behind their divorce, it might be dragged too far than what can just be seen from here. Even though neither Justin nor Hailey has publicly addressed the rumors, insiders still suggest that the couple's relationship is currently at a breaking point.